Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve this problem number 26. Find the equivalent resistance across RXY. So this is a bridge network, but it is shorted between P and N. So how to understand this problem is, so you can see here. So current starts flowing at X and automatically this will divide. Whenever the current divides, these two are connected in parallel. Okay. So once again current will flow in opposite direction and these two are again connected in parallel. Okay. So now what we are going to do is these two are connected in parallel. So we are now connected at node X and P and N are already short circuited, then you are going to get P as well as N and we are going to have Y. So these two are connected in parallel. We are going to represent with a single resistor. That is, this is this single resistor and another one is the another resistor connected between the nodes X as well as Y. This is node X, this is node Y. So 2 and 2 are connected in parallel. So this is nothing but 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 2, which is nothing but here you are going to get 1 ohm. So similarly, here these two are connected in parallel. Product of resistance divided by sum of resistance. Here also you are going to get 1 ohm resistor. And you can see here this P and N are short circuited. These two are at one point and got P and N. Now, when you look at this, you can see here these two are again connected in parallel. So why? Because the current starts flowing and current is not dividing. I can say these two are connected in series connection. Whenever these two are connected in series connection, then I'm going to get a single resistor between the nodes X and Y. So that is nothing but 1 plus 1, I'm going to get 2 ohm. So the resultant answer between the terminals R, X, Y, we are going to get it as 2 ohms. This is the procedure of solving the resistance. Okay, I'll repeat again. These two are connected, the current enters, current is dividing, these two are connected in parallel. Okay, again these two are connected in parallel. So these two I'm going to get 1 ohm, these two I'm going to get 1 ohm, and resultantly these two are again connected in series. I'm going to have 2 ohms. So this is the procedure of solving. If you feel the content is useful, please like the video, share with your friends, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel KV Tulsiram. So this is a free channel for the development of students and faculty. Okay. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next problem. Thank you, viewers. Faithfully Ram.